Hi Glooms! We're here again for another music video of Beanie! Let's go! So last week, nag-release sila ng new song which is yung Top na talagang summer vibes, tamang-tama sa init ng panahon. And today, we will gonna have their music video. So let's go, panoorin natin. And mukhang napakasaya ang another music video nila. Sa lahat ng top enjoyer dyan, labas! Let's go. Simulan na natin to dahil excited na ako mapanood ang top official music video. Here we go. Oh, Joanna. As a driver.
T.O.P. Top, I'll take you to the top. T.O.P. Top, I'll take you to the top.
Ganda ni Mika Lim. Bakit malungkot ang ate nyo? Yeah. Ayan na, ngumiti na si Mika Lim nyo. May bago na naman tayong choreo na pa-practicein. I like that. Sorry for that. New endorsement nila, Cornetto. Grabe naman yan. Ay, ang sarap ng kain ng ice cream nila. Walo hanggang dulo. Huh? Hey! T.O.P. Top! Wala, nainggit ako sa ice cream nila. Nakapag-swimming na ba ang lahat? Oh, they are so cute. Oh, that was so great. Ay, may kaya ka nga. Wow. Wow. Parang sarap tuloy mag-swimming dahil dito sa music video nila. Another summer song na naman tayo. May another summer vibes na naman tayo. As in, tama-tama nung na-release kasi nila yung music na to. Si ate mo girl, bumabiyahe pa LU. So, habang nasa biyahe ako, syempre, top agad ang pinakinggan. Bagay na bagay sa pang road trip. And of course, habang nasa beach ka or nasa pool, ilabas niyo yung mga speaker niyo at ipatugtog yung top na yan. Top enjoyer. Yo! Thank you so much. So, see you again, Blooms, on my next reaction video. Ang daming ganap ng Beanie. Oh, let's go!